and today I'm going to create an amazing makeup look, like literally glamorous makeup look with this palette, क्योंकि उस palette का नाम है यार Soft Glam palette, तो अगर मैंने उस पे glamorous look नहीं create करा तो justice नहीं होगा, तो मुझे justice करना है और मुझे इसलिए create करना है क्योंकि मुझे प्यार हो गया है इस palette से and literally like you know the feel of the packaging and everything is wonderful. Also ऐसा packaging तो खैर बहुत सारी चीजों की अच्छी आती है, but apart from that, like if you look at the colors inside and if you feel the texture of this palette is amazing. It's a work palette if you want to keep it in your personal kit or if you're professional, ये तो होना ही चाहिए मतलब क्योंकि सारे earthy tones हैं. और आज मैं जिसके ऊपर मेकअप करने वाली हूँ, मेरी जो मॉडल है आज की, she is श्रद्धा दशोतर and she is a healer. अगर आप मेरे को काफी टाइम से जानते हैं तो आपको पता नहीं किसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. Like she is my very old friend. Her handle is Heal with Shraddha. So yeah, let's dive in quickly into the makeup.
So I am starting off with Urban Decay Quick Fix Priming Spray. I'll wait until it's penetrated well in the skin. Then massaging Cetaphil Moisturiser for perfectly moistured skin base. To prep the under eye, using under eye patch I bought from Nykaa. This is not only going to moisture, also going to prevent from any fallout on the skin while I do my eyeshadow. Applying Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium. Also applying it over the eyebrows to highlight and blending it with a small beauty blender and powder packing it with the nude shade when it's 70% dry. This is going to give an amazing canvas for my soft glam palette. Here it is. Ta-da! Dipping my fluffy brush in shade Sienna, placing the shade on outer corner and blending it towards inner corner as transition shade. Dipping medium pointed brush in shade Mulberry and placing shade softly only on inner and outer corner. Intensifying the color pigment by placing more shadow if needed and blending all over it softly again. Dipping my flat brush in shade Fairy and place it like half cut crease. With the help of small blending brush, buff out the crease if visible. With the same small blending brush, picking up the shade Sultry, which is a metallic brown shade, and adding it to only outer corner to add more dimension to it. Use the brush with whatever left product on it at the inner corner to balance with outer corner. With the pencil brush, picking up shade Tempera and adding under the brows to highlight for inner corner of eyes Tempera plus glistening, which makes it a perfect highlighter. Now taking a fluffy brush and blending everything together. Afterwards, using Anastasia Beverly Hills waterproof creme color in shade Jet, applying it with a small angular brush. And if you know that applying perfect liner feels like examinations to me. Packing it with eyeshadow Noir and buffing out edges for smoky liner effect. And you can always add a little more later for perfect intense color. And crispy sharp wings. Just curl the lashes and running the mascara through on upper lashes. I'm making sure that it gets to the roots of the lashes as I want the false lashes to blend in perfectly. And here I am applying the falsies by Euro Paris in number 58. Cleaning the eyebrows with the help of spoolie and setting it with the brow gel by Benefit. Not making it very feathery but keeping it neat and intact. Going to let it dry for a while. With the help of big angular brush dipped into the black matte eyeshadow, packing the false lash line to hide the glue shine. Now let's remove the under eye patch and apply the pore minimizer by Benefit, which is going to create a very smooth finish base for our foundation. Here is my favorite foundation by Anastasia Beverly Hills in shade 330W. Applying the foundation with the brush by Forever 52. And cream contouring it with angular brush, which gives me more control to sculpt and add color intensity as much as I want. Using Liquid Lippy in shade Allure by Forever 52 as a blusher. And wow, look at the shade. Quite impressive. Concealing the under eye with Tarte Shape Tape in shade Medium and powder packing it when it's 80% dry. First blending it well and then powder packing it. But only when it's 80% dry. Powder packing the entire face but with a very less amount of powder so that it doesn't look cakey. And now let's bake those under eye with banana powder so that at the last I get an amazing highlighted under eye. Sharpening the nose by the bronzer from the Balm Cosmetics. Adding a little powder blusher on cheeks by Dior. Priming lips by ABH Cosmetics. Filling the brows now as brow gel is dry after some time and it's easier to fill. For under eye, using Mulberry from outer corner towards inner corner and Tempera plus Glycerin for inner corner. Dipping in shade Sultry and running brush back and forth in the center of eye to add that smooth effect. And let's not forget the mascara for the lower lash. Dusting off all the baking powder from under eye and adding Sun Dipped Glow Kit Highlighter Palette by ABH and highlighting everywhere wherever it's needed. Yeah, it's literally like my favorite step to do highlighting. Wow. It's lip stain time. In shade Black Cherry, it's again by ABH and I love all the lip stains by Anastasia Beverly Hills. They are amazing and it stays for really long. And let's not forget to fix all this hard and beautiful work I have done on my beautiful model with Urban Decay Quick Fix Makeup Fixer.
आई होप आपने इसे एंजॉय करा और ये इन्फॉर्मेटिव भी हो आपके लिए। और ऐसे बहुत सारे वीडियोस और बनाने वाली हूँ मैं, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करिए और आप इंस्टाग्राम पे भी मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हैं। मेरा इंस्टा हैंडल है मिताली जोशी, इट्स मिताली जोशी MUA, सो प्लीज गो एंड फॉलो एंड या आई लव यू, थैंक यू, बाय।